Hi, it's Michael Thomas here, and thanks for checking out this video. In this video I'm going to take you through installing the Viral Inviter plugin and setting it up. So let's get to it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you actually want to head over to developers.facebook.com and sign up with an account there if you don't have one, because the first thing we'll need to do is start setting up a Facebook app. That sounds tricky, but it's really not, so don't worry about that at all. In this example, I'm going to be setting up the plugin on one of my sites here, which is just news.wplinksshield.com. So that's the URL I'll be using in a sec, but just remember you need to have your website set up first, and you need to know what your domain or URL is for your site. So let's get started. What you need to do once you've got your Facebook developer account is you need to hover over the My Apps link up the top right here and click on Add New App. Then click on Website. And then we just need to give this a name. So I'll call this Demo App 2. And then we need to click on Create New Facebook App ID. Okay, just leave this set to no, this question or this option here for it being a test version of another app. No, it's not. Pop your email address in here, so we'll use demo@example.com. Then in the category, you have to choose games. So the Viral Inviter plugin requires a games app ID. So we'll choose games, and then we'll just choose any category, any subcategory there. Then we click on Create App ID. Go through the captcha. So what are they asking us? Show waterfalls. That's one, and that's one. Okay, and we're almost there. We just want to skip past this top part, and we scroll down, and we just need to pop our website address in here. Oops, that's not my address. So put your website address in here, and then click on Next, and that's everything we need to do on the Facebook side of things. So that's all set up there, and all we need to do is we just need to scroll up to the top, and you can see in this window there's a line that has App ID and then a colon and then a bunch of numbers there. We just need to copy these numbers to our clipboard before clicking over to our site after having installed the plugin. So remember I've currently got this on my clipboard as I continue. So now I'm going to click over to my WordPress site where I've already installed and activated the plugin, just as you would any other WordPress plugin. And then I'm going to hover over Settings and click onto Viral Inviter. And then I just need to paste in the app ID that I got from Facebook. So once again, that's this number right here, just after you've finished putting in your website address. And that's all I really need to do. So once I've popped that app ID in there, I can just scroll down and click on Save Changes, and that's ready to go. Now there are these several fields here, so that say invite friends and this site is cool, check it out, etc., etc. You can see where they appear when you actually try and use the plugin. And change them to whatever content you want. You can obviously enable or disable the widget at the bottom, and you can choose whether it's going to be at the bottom or the top, how long it's going to be before it shows people the bar again if they choose to hide it, colors, etc. But for now we're just going to use it as the default. Now that's been done, if we look at the front page for the site, which is just a link cloaking site, so there's no content there. You can see we got the bar at the bottom with that content on it, which came from right here. So we can change that if we want to. Along with invite friends, which came from right here. And then the message we'll see in a second, which says this site is cool, check it out. So if we click on invite friends, you can see the Facebook invite window has popped open, and here's where there's some interesting information. So there's the message right there. It says this site is cool, check it out. So you can change that to whatever you want it to be. And the other thing that you'll notice is this demo app 2, which of course came when we were setting up the app in the first place. So, you know, make sure you use an appropriate name there. Probably name it after your website. So since this is one of my WP Link Shield based websites, I would probably call it WP Link Shield. And of course, that's it. The tool is working, and you know, anyone else who visits your site can just click on the Invite Friends button down here and send invitations off to whoever they want to, just like so. So that's all there is to using Viral Inviter. Thanks for watching.